Welcome back to this part of the video, guys. In the last video we talked about setting up email accounts and making sure that our webmail account is ready. Okay, so guys, we talked about forwarders. What are forwarders? What does it do? What can we achieve with it? And why is it important that we set up forwarders on all our accounts, our email addresses? Now, the truth is, guys, the webmail is not like the regular Gmail that is very, very easy to navigate. It is not like it. It is something that is high tech. For you to really navigate it properly, even though you can log it on your phone, for you to navigate on it properly, you need to do it on a PC, on a computer. So forwarders basically is just saying that any email that drops into this inbox, please send it to an email that I'm going to give to you. You get my point? Any emails that drops in here, for example, info@gmail.com, if someone should contact this company and says, hey, please, I want to get your services, they sent the email to info@richardesemuru.com. But please, I need a copy of this inbox on my Gmail. I hope you understand the concept. So whatever email that comes into here, please send it to my Gmail account or to any email account that you connect the forwarder accounts. So guys, forwarders is one aspect of the email side that I do not joke with, because I do not really have all my webmails on my phone. But if I forwarded all of them to my device, once I receive an email, oh, so person have messaged info, tomorrow so person made payment on domain name purchase, what do I need to do? I will quickly run to domain name purchase webmail and do what? Reply the person on the webmail. You get my point? So let us go straight into practicals. With this email we have just set up, let us set up forwarders on these emails so you see exactly how it is done. Again, you come over to your cPanel. On your email tab, you click on what? Forwarders. And once you click on forwarders, guys, that is where we can do it in less than 30 seconds. All you just need to do is, once this opens up, you click on add forwarder. It will now open up. So it is asking you, which address do you want to forward? Which email on your list do you want to forward? We want to forward info@richardesemuru.com. Okay, so now we'll put in what? The info here, info. This is what you put in here, info. The @ is already there for you, and the domain.com is already there for you. So which email do you want to forward it to? Here is where you now need to put in your Gmail address. Okay, let me put in one of my Gmail address. Okay, put in my Gmail address. I put in Gmail address. So please, we're trying to say that if any mail drops in this info email, let it be forwarded to where? This Gmail account. We are now going to see this as a practical if it is really going to work. Okay, and we do what? Click on add forwarder. That is all. Very, very simple. Extremely simple. It now says all emails sent to info@this will now be copied to this.com. So let us do a practical. Alright guys, to practicalize this, I'm just going to be sending a mail from one of my mails to this info@richardesemuru.com, so we see exactly if the mail is going to deliver here and also going to deliver on my Gmail. Okay, alright guys, I'll just go over to compose. Yes, click on compose. I click on compose, and the email that I want to send the mail to is info@richardesemuru.com. Copy, come over here, paste. Let me just put hi, my name is Richard as a test. Hi, and do what? Send. Message sent. So we are expected to have this mail in this inbox. Alright guys, let me refresh this. And as you can see here, we have the email, hi, my name is Richard. You get it? Hi, my name is Richard. So, have that mail dropped in here? Let us check. And you can see here, guys, it worked. The mail came over to what? Hi, my name is what? Richard. The mail came over to the Gmail. So, the forwarder that we have just done actually worked perfectly well. So guys, these forwarders is very, very important. I charge a client extra 2,000 naira for me to activate forwarders for him. I am very, very lenient when it comes to finance with my students, but I am not when it comes to my clients, because they are the source of my money. You get my point? I can do free stuff to my students, but I do not do anything free for my client. So a client has to pay me another 2,000 naira for me to set up forwarders on all his accounts. I'm not saying you should be your client anyway, but it is at your own discretion. So guys, I've just showed you exactly how to set up forwarders. Now someone might be asking a question, okay, since I have received this mail here, how about if I now reply this mail from this place? I don't want to go over to Webmail. If you do that, you will be replying from a Gmail. So I always recommend that if you are working on any official stuff, always log in back to your Webmail to reply your mails. I hope this is understood. Guys, I am super excited because this class is becoming so exciting. Just imagine within the very short time we've worked this evening, we have just showed you exactly how to set up email accounts and how to activate email forwarders. We did not just show you how to set it up, we just test run it and you see exactly how it worked perfectly. In the next video guys, I am going to show you another feature of this email category that is going to blow your mind. That is autoresponders. I'll see you guys in the next video.